while fans are still patiently waiting for the new iPhone 17 to drop, its successor has started causing a buzz in the world of smartphones, and we're all here for it. Hello, and welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. As a rumor suggested about what the iPhone maker is planning to do with the still yet to be launched iPhone 18, leaks have suggested that they're planning to remove the camera control button entirely from the phone. If the outgoing of iPhone's current existing camera button has annoyed you, then it's worth noting that Apple's also tipped to be rethinking its presence. On an entirely separate end, the leak suggests that Apple's decision of simplifying the buttons is because they just want to cut costs. The camera control button for the iPhone 18 series is said to be in trial production. However, Apple's expected to abandon the dual sensor setup and rely solely on pressure sensitivity, which means the capacitive sensor will be removed and only the pressure sensor will be left, while both are currently available with the iPhone 16 models right now. But what do? The camera button features both capacitive and pressure sensing under a sapphire crystal layer. The capacitive system detects gestures, while pressure sensors respond to taps, presses, and swipes. With the new design, pressure sensors will manage all input methods. This approach is similar to what we see in smartphones like the Oppo X8 Ultra and the Vivo X200 Ultra, where pressure-based buttons can differentiate between light taps, firm presses, and sliding motions without extra layers. The leaker pointed out that Apple's motivation is to gain profits. The existing camera control button is costly to produce and leads to expensive repairs, so that means that Apple's taking some cost-cutting measures, coupled with delayed AI-powered visual intelligence features, by just simplifying the hardware for the iPhone 18. What do you think about this? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you loved this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.